Hey, my peeps, let's make some tacos. Let's get into the Cinco de Mayo fever. So, I have some clay here. It's from Annie's Treasure and it's called cookie dough. And I'm just adding some black sand to it because this is going to be our taco shell. And I wanted to have like those little specks that, taco shells have. So, I'm just going to roll it out. I'm not going to roll it out too thick. I'm going to actually roll it out like with one layer of my paint sticks, and you can see the little black dots on there. So I'm just using, I think that cookie cutter is 5 inches or 6, no bigger than that, but you can use whatever size you want or have. So then when you cut it out, you're gonna need to let it dry overnight. So I put mine on my roller. Just find something you can hang it over so it just could keep the shape and you'll be good. Then I got me some brown clay, just regular brown clay, and I stuffed some inside the taco shell. And then I'm gonna texture it to look like meat, but I'm only gonna texture the ends because you don't need to texture the whole thing because the top part is not gonna show, it's gonna be covered. So yeah, I just textured it up just to make it look like, meat. I mean, we know it's not gonna look like meat, but still, you want to give it texture, right? So I'm just using a denture brush I got from the Dollar Tree. And now this cream that's supposed to look like the sour cream is white clay. I mixed it with water, just white clay and water in a little cup until it got soft enough where I could squeeze it out of this little baggie. Okay, now you can use spackle, you can use cork, you can use, there's plenty of options now, but I did use clay. Okay, so then I took a piece of orangey yellow clay, and I rolled it really thin, and I let it dry overnight. And then I cut that into strips, and I made some shredded cheddar cheese. And then I also took a piece of red clay and let it dry overnight, rolled it into a log and let it dry overnight. And that's going to represent our tomatoes in our taco. And I just cut it up into chunks, no particular size or anything like that. You just cut it up. And then you're going to stick it into your sour cream. You don't really have to put a lot on the top because it's going to be covered up. But, just spread it around. And then after that, I got a leaf from a fake flower and I cut that up to represent lettuce. Because I was going to make lettuce with the clay, but I don't know, it just didn't look right. So I just took a leaf and cut it up, shredded it to look like lettuce, and then I'm going to put that on top of my taco. So like the lettuce, I kind of cut the strips a little bit too big. So you make sure you cut them into proportionate size for your taco. But I mean, it still came out okay. So I'm just putting the lettuce on top, here, there, and everywhere. Make sure you press it down so it sticks into the clay and all that good stuff. Now I'm going to just do this part. Like some of the pieces I had to go back in there and cut because I had them too long. So make sure you just cut it up really, really good, okay? So now the last part is our cheddar cheese. Our shredded cheddar. So I got a brush and I put some, that's tacky glue on it. And then I just sprinkle some cheddar on top of my taco. And then for the other taco, I kind of just got the tacky glue and just put some on top and then spread it around. I think that's the best way to do it. That way you don't move the lettuce around too much. And then you throw your cheese on there. And that's your taco. Getting ready for that Cinco de Mayo. There go the tacos. Ooh, they look so cute. I really love my tacos. I think they came out pretty cute. They're pretty small, perfect for a tier tray. You guys know that I like to make my stuff on a smaller scale. Hope you make some. Look how cute. I got that little red thing from Dollar Tree, so I can display them. Talk to you soon. Bye.